Hey everyone, Alex Quinn here with Arcan RV Edmonton. Today we're gonna go over something very special. Our new product lineup that we took up is called the Lake Country Campers. They're from Lake Country, BC, Canadian built, manufactured in Lake Country. And something special about this truck camper is one, it's incredibly light, towable by literally anything with a truck bed. But they actually design these composite shells that you see on here for healthcare service vehicles. Like their shells that you see in ambulances and everything like that, they do that stuff. And I think it's very incredible. And we had this example here just so you can actually see how the shells, and this is what you kind of see on the outside here. So no water can get in there. You don't have to worry about rot. There's no sealing. Like there's nothing you have to really worry about. So maintenance free. It's pretty nice, especially on a truck camper. On here as well, you also have a fiberglass single piece roof. This one is customized already, but you can basically customize it the way you want. If you just want 2 windows, an vent, and a bed, you can. So you can always talk to us more in person about that, but I'll show you here what we have. So we have ourselves a little diesel heater. So if you're planning to do any hunting or ice fishing, it's absolutely fantastic. On the inside here, we do have wood cabinets here. Down below, you'll have your batteries, which you'll see trim paneling that goes all around your camper. So if you want to install an electric fan or you want to do any additional solar, everything can be kind of fishtailed back to your battery box. On the side here, we have additional cabinets. If you wanted, you could put a little 12-volt fridge. Here we have a little 12-volt battery box so you can control all of your electronics. Some of the bed formations, they do come with a 6-foot up to, I believe, a 9-foot extension, so you can put a big king bed in there if you like, or even 2 single mattresses. So really customizable. 3-year structural warranty, Canadian built, guys. It's fantastic. Come on down, check it out. My name's Alex Quinn, and thank you so much for watching.